All right, y'all, we back at it again. Another mystery box. We're gonna see what's inside. All right. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I didn't scratch it, did I? I hope I didn't. Ooh, I put a little scratch on it. On the plastic, luckily. But yeah, this Incredible Hulk. That's a badass cover right there. What y'all think about this one? It says $12 on the $12. Let's see what else we got. Another Hulk. That one's tight. Another Hulk. Another Hulk. Oh yeah, I like this one. $150. $150, but I like this one. Another 150. I mean 125, but uh, 75 center. I like that. Another 75 center. A Hulk. I like it. $1 make you holler. Ooh, this is bad. I like that one too. This one $3.50, but $3.50, but oh, this one's a thick one right here. Look how thick this bad boy is. $3.50 book too. Monster page. That is tight. Doctor Strange. I like that one. 175. That says $24 on this one. What else we got here? Oh, this is a thick one right here. This is a thick one. This one's super thick. Oh, that's tight. Got Batman in the background. Who is that right there? Batwoman? That is, looks like Batwoman. Damn, this is a thick old magazine. I like that. Justice League. This is a 75 center. Nice one. Here goes another one. Tell me which book y'all is your favorite, man, when I go through this whole box. Let me know which one's your favorite. That one's bad. I like that cover. The artist did his work. All these books is in good condition, though. 2007, huh? That's nice. I like that. Gotta show the top part. That's tight. All right. Another one, huh? Another one. Another one. Is that supposed to be Juggernaut? Yeah. That's nice. And we not even half through the box. Almost there, but that was nice too. Didn't they have a movie about this one right here? The Infinity War or something like that? That's a back cover right there. Yeah. Oh shit, this one's old. Guess what? Guess how much is it? What is that? Oh, that's part of the plastic, I think. Yeah, it is. Or something in the plastic. Bam, 30 center. That's old school right there. I need to put this in a better plastic. Look how nice that book is. how much this book would be if you get it graded. 30 cents. Ooh, it's an old one too. This is an old one. Is that Black Panther? Is it Black Panther? Black Panther, 35 cents, dude. Wow. Now this book should be graded for sure. Old school Black Panther. Looks like it's in good condition too. Is that a little crease right there? A little line crease. Oh no, that's not a line crease. That's part of the part of the art of the book. Look at those corners. It's a nice book right here. Definitely nice. What we got here? What we got here? What we got here? This is old school. What book is this? Bam. 35 cents. He said it's the last boy on earth. Nice. Another old one. Who is it? How much is it? Got Thor on there. It's a 20 center. Wow. This book is old. That is crazy old. Well, this one looks like it might need some work. No, I don't feel like opening it. I'll open it another time. Spidey. Who's that dude beating up on Spidey? Bam, 25 cents. Wow. Is that a... Now this one is a crease. 25 cents. Get it pressed up. It'd be good. Nice one. What we got here? Oh yeah, that's tight right there. What y'all think? 25 cents. Boom. What else we got here? Oh, this book is old. $15. That's bad. Man, this book is ancient. All right, let's see. Ooh, this fat right here. Batman. 35 center. That's fat. But you know, it's look pretty good. Yeah, this is fat. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah. What you think about this one? Who is it? I ain't never heard of it. 20 Center. Kind of reminds me of Aquaman. But that's a lady. The Jungle Girl? What? It's 20 Center. 20 Center. Ooh, this one's tight. $15 Center. That's nice. $25. It's pretty nice. Isn't it on the plastic? Yeah, that's part of the plastic. So old. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Boom. 25 Center. $25. That's nice. Ooh. A Batman. That's nice. It's a newer book. It looks like an old one, but it's not. This one does too. It's not new. I mean old. What? Who is that? What's that symbol right there? I don't remember that cartoon. Thundercats. That's tight. Another banger. Thundercats. Bam. Alright, I'm trying to go a little faster on these books because this video is getting too long. Thundercats. 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 Oh, this one ain't even, it's plastic, hard plastic, kind of hard. Thundercats. This too. What's so special about them? I wonder. Thundercats. It's badass, dude. I love that cartoon one. What the heck is this? This is random. To be up in there. Mystery box for real. Another one, huh? Hey. What is this? Oh. It's gonna fall. This one looks like this one's signed. The signature right there. Y'all know nothing about? Anybody know anything about this book right here? I don't know. Never heard of it. All right, let's see. Down to the bottom now. A couple more comic books, and it's done. This video will end pretty soon. Ooh, this is hard. Superman. I wonder what year it is. Nice stuff. It's old. Now this is something different. They wanted 30. Took 5 off. Got a nice little. Kind of reminds me of Marilyn Manson with that look. Oh shit. Who knows about this? You better know this. It's that boy Sonic the Hedgehog. Nice book. Didn't know they had Sonic the Hedgehog. I guess they pretty much got everything, huh? This one's double-sided. This one has 2 comic books in it. For some reason. I wonder if it's the same. I've never heard of that book before. It's the same, huh? Yeah, it's the same. Same book in one. Alright, this is it for this video. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. Let me know which one was your favorite out of this box, out of this mystery box. Yeah, that's it. Peace out, y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe. All right, bye.